Did you know that poor inventory management and inaccurate demand forecasting cost companies an average of 25% of their annual revenue? And organizations that master inventory optimization achieve 15 to 25% reduction in inventory costs, while improving service levels by 10 to 20% compared to their peers. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified Supply Chain Inventory Optimization and Demand Forecasting Professional Program. To begin our program, we'll explore a broad range of core supply chain topics, such as statistical forecasting methodologies, advanced inventory planning techniques, and sophisticated demand sensing technologies. This will ensure that you gain not only theoretical insights, but also practical tools to effectively design and implement world-class inventory strategies. Next, we'll delve into specialized inventory management techniques, such as multi-echelon optimization strategies, collaborative planning and forecasting methodologies, and understanding the intricacies of demand variability and supply uncertainty. As you progress through the course, you'll master the skills needed to develop robust forecasting models, optimize safety stock levels, and navigate supply chain disruptions effectively. You'll even learn how to integrate advanced analytics and machine learning applications for demand prediction and improve your organization's overall supply chain performance and customer satisfaction. Upon completion of the program, you'll be awarded the prestigious Certified Supply Chain Inventory Optimization and Demand Forecasting Professional, or CID designation. This globally recognized credential will demonstrate your expertise in managing inventory optimization and demand forecasting effectively while building rigorous supply chain planning systems. What's more, it'll also open up new career advancement opportunities and enhance your overall credibility and reputation within the supply chain industry. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in our certified program today and take a monumental step towards mastering the ever-evolving world of supply chain excellence.